We have more tools than ever, but getting the job done still feels complex. That's the hard part. We're all drowning in tabs, copy-pasting, and prompt engineering. Meet Loona Deskmate. Loona doesn't wait for instructions. She follows your mouse. Whatever you hover over, she understands.
Hi, I'm Loona Deskmate, your screen-aware AI coworker.
Are you available Wednesday afternoon?
Am I?
I see you're available on Wednesday at 10:30.
What do you think about this?
Wow, love it. It's a strong direction. Just increase the contrast here and it'll really
No more
pop.
explaining context. Loona works directly in your apps. Zoom.
Book a meeting.
Got it. I've drafted the invitation email with the Zoom link.
Perfect.
Sent.
Gmail.
Loona, what happened on Slack?
Slack.
The team is misaligned on the deadline. Don't worry. I've already summarized the thread and drafted a proactive reply for you to review.
Bridging the gap between your screen and your desk.
Loona morning briefing. Just the essentials.
Here are highlights only. A new chip was released, cutting computing costs by 30%. I flagged the top 3 movers on your screen.
This company, who is the CEO? Get me a meeting.
That's a top-tier data firm. I've found the CEO and drafted a request for your
Okay.
trip next week.
Finished. Loona, draft me a new pitch deck.
No problem. Here's what I'm thinking. I saw there's a birthday on your calendar. I've drafted a card with her favorite, bears.
Plan the trip for next week.
Oh, this is important. I'll make this plan for you.
What's this?
It highlights a post-earnings breakout where strong results drove the stock sharply upward.
Stop managing your tools. Start working with a partner. Stop prompting. Start doing. Loona Deskmate. Your workflow is finally free.